Hey there, it's your girl Tweetie, and welcome to my daily smoothie series, Blends by Tweetie, where I blend up more than just fruit. I'm sharing smoothies that nourish life, whether you're a new mom trying to lose or gain weight, fueling your workout, boosting milk supply, or sneaking veggies into picky eaters. Have got a recipe for you. From pregnancy to postpartum, kids to older adults, I've got a smoothie for everybody and every season of life. I'll be sharing powerful, quick, easy recipes packed with ingredients that actually make a difference. Smart swaps, and all the little tips that make your smoothie next level, So, whether you're eating, fueling, glowing, or just surviving another morning, I got you. Hit the follow and subscribe button. Grab your blender and let's sip all the way to better days. Welcome to Blends by Tweetie.
Hey smoothie lovers, welcome back to Blends by Tweetie, where we blend with purpose, sip with intention, and glow from the inside out. If you're looking for a fresh reset and a burst of natural energy, you're in the right place. Today, we are making a Cucumber Pineapple Detox Smoothie, a light, refreshing drink that feels like a spa treatment in a glass. This smoothie is perfect for those hot days when you want something cool, hydrating, and gently detoxifying. It is also a fantastic way to recharge after a long weekend or a busy day. Let's start with half a cucumber. If it's not organic, peel it to keep things clean and fresh. Cucumber is incredibly hydrating and packed with antioxidants, perfect for flushing out toxins and giving your skin a natural glow. Next, add half a cup of sweet pineapple chunks. Pineapple not only adds a delicious tropical sweetness, then half a green apple, crisp, tart, and full of fiber to keep your digestion smooth and your energy steady. To brighten it all up, squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. This little zinc of citrus adds vitamin C and supports your body's natural cleanliness process. For the liquid base, use half a cup of water, or if you want an extra boost, green tea. Green tea brings antioxidants and a gentle lift to keep you feeling alert without the jitters. And here's a little optional touch: fresh mint leaves. Mint add a cooling, refreshing aroma and helps soothe your stomach, making the smoothie even more of a gentle detox experience. Blend until smooth. This Cucumber Pineapple Detox Smoothie isn't just a drink, it's a moment to nourish your body and refresh your mind. Perfect for hot days, post-workout recovery, or any time you want to feel lighter and more energized. Give it a try and let me know how it makes you feel. Here's to sipping your way to wellness. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a delicious blend from Blends by Tweetie. Cheers!
I got you. Yes.